Hi my sparkling stars, this is grade 3 chapter number 4 embedded figure and another very important topic of reasoning which is going to open your eyes so widely that you are able to see beyond the limits. And this is the purpose of studying reasoning. You know, when you learn reasoning, it helps you to visualize the thing. It helps you to understand why behind certain things, and it is just a support to grow and move ahead. So your life always has certain things which you are not able to see, but once you start doing the questions related to visualization, you will be successful and you will be able to move ahead with much confidence and much strength. So let's meet a teacher here who has brought a clown for you, and the teacher is asking, what all could you see along with the clown? So could you see some animals which are embedded here? Beautiful. You could see the cat. What else? Yes, there is one elephant also with a duck, and there is a seal as well. So children are very excited when they get such images and they start looking beyond the image, and they could see certain beautiful things popping out. Wow! So this is what we do in embedded figures. Now you get two categories of questions. First type of question is when one of the image is given and with certain small partial parts, and you have to see that which of the partial parts are contained in that main figure. And sometimes a partial figure is given and some of the options contain big figures. So you have to check that this partial figure belongs to which of the four options. So let's try some of the examples here. Let's take the first question. You have to find the answer figure in which the given figure is embedded. So this is the given figure, and if you try to find out that where this figure exists, we could see the first figure, and I have drawn it in the zoomed form. So you could see that this figure exists in the first option, isn't it? And we say A is the right answer. So that means this is a partial figure and you have to search this partial figure belongs to which of the given options, right? And then we have another example where again a partial figure is given. Can you help me to find out which is the main figure here? Wonderful. We could see that C is the right option. So this is the part which is the partial figure and we are trying to locate it. We got it in the C figure. Yes. So now another category of question is that one of the main figure is given and some of the partial images are given. So out of these partial images, we have to search that which of these partial image is the part of the main image. So if you just zoom it out, and we could see that this M formed is the first figure, the A part, and this exactly is embedded inside the main figure, right? So we say A is the right option. So very interesting questions which require your mental exercise, and whenever you do mental drill, it makes your mind more sharper. Yes. So are you ready to move ahead with more examples? Let's see this one. So here you have to select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in this given figure as one of its part. So when you look at very carefully, we try to put the first figure and it's not able to fix inside the main figure. Let's take another partial part. We try to fix it and we observe again it is not fitting inside somewhere. Then coming to the third option, we observe that this third option is completely fitting at this location, right? So if you put it over here, it just overlaps it, and that means this part is embedded inside it, and we say C is the right option. Try one more question over here, that in which of the following figures the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. So here the first given figure is a partial figure, and this figure has to be fitted among any of these four figures. So let's try to pick it up, and luckily when you put it here, we observe that it exactly fits it here, isn't it? But it's not happening with B figure, neither with C or D. So what do you say? What's the right answer? Wonderful. A option is the correct answer. Now we move with the exercise. So let's see what sort of questions are given in the exercise. So we have some main figures, and you have to see which of these partial figures exactly fits inside your given main figures. These questions you'll be trying by your own, and you'll have fun. It is a wonderful mental drill, and it gives you to understand why behind everything, and that becomes your habit, and it is a beautiful success rule. So try doing these questions by your own and enjoy doing them. The second category of question you get here is that you have to choose the correct figure from the options into which the given figure exactly embeds perfectly. That means you have to see that in which of these figures this figure exactly embeds. Similarly, we have more questions of this pattern which you are going to explore. You know, once you start solving such questions, it improves your illusion power. That means you are able to identify the things which are normally not visible, and it improves your personality. So once you have enriched your illusion, I have brought a brain twister for you, which is a masterpiece illusion artwork by one of the Mexican artists whose name is Octavio Ocampo. And in this illusion, you have to find out that how many people are you able to see. So now your time begins. Start exploring.